Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork without oil. We will explore several fantastic ways to cook pork that are both healthy and incredibly tasty. You'll learn about baking, air frying, grilling, and even steaming, ensuring your pork is tender and full of flavor without needing any extra oil. These methods are perfect for creating delicious meals with fewer calories and less fat, making your favorite pork dishes even better. Baking or roasting is a wonderful way to cook pork without oil. For cuts like pork loin or tenderloin, preheat your oven to about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pork on a wire rack inside a roasting pan. This helps any natural fats render and drip away, keeping your dish lean. Cook until the internal temperature reaches a safe 145 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a juicy and perfectly cooked result every time. Air frying and grilling are excellent oil-free options for quick and flavorful pork. For air frying, place pork chops in the basket at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes, flipping them halfway through for even cooking and a lovely crisp exterior. When grilling, use medium-high heat and turn the pork frequently to achieve beautiful char marks and a smoky flavor without needing any added oil. Steaming and boiling offer incredibly tender, oil-free pork. For steaming, place thinner cuts of pork in a steamer basket over boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes, or until fully cooked. Boiling pork is perfect for achieving very tender meat, great for shredding or adding to stews. Remember to marinate your pork in acidic liquids like vinegar or citrus juice. This not only adds fantastic flavor, but also helps tenderize the meat beautifully without any oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.